Hello, wonderful children. You're welcome to mathematics class. Today we're looking at money, part 2, money. Remember, in our last series, we talked about how we can recognize the different denomination of Nigerian currency. Today we will want to look at addition and subtraction of coins and notes. Addition and subtraction of coins and notes. Let's look at our lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson, we should be able to add and subtract Nigerian coins with different values. We should be able to add and subtract Nigerian notes with different values. And number 3, you should be able to buy, sell, and calculate the balance. Addition of coins. Let's look at how can we add our coins. For example, if I have add 10 kobo and 5 kobo. Add 10 kobo and 5 kobo. Remember I showed you how 10 kobo and 5 kobo looks like, isn't it? So now for you to be able to do this, you must be able to add and subtract your numbers. If you can add and subtract your own numbers before now, this shouldn't be a challenge. It's just like you're doing your normal addition and subtraction. The only difference is that you're going to add kobo at the back of this because we're talking about money. So add 10 kobo and 5 kobo. So I'll bring my 10 kobo and I'll bring my 5 kobo, then I'll say plus 10 kobo plus 5 kobo. Remember how you had? After 10, you count 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 plus 5 is 15 kobo. Isn't that good? And then for subtraction, the same thing. Subtract 5 kobo from 10 kobo. Do you still remember the meaning of subtract? Take away. Take away. You have 5 kobo and you're taking away 5 from 10 kobo. What's on the left? So if you're subtracting, remember the whole number, the bigger number rather, should be before the smaller number. The bigger number, 10 kobo, should be before the smaller number. So 10 kobo minus 5 kobo. I have 10 kobo. I'm taking away 5 kobo. I'm taking away 5 kobo. Just like you have 10 kobo and you want to give your friend 5 kobo. How much would you have left? 10 minus 5 is 5. So remember to put your kobo, 5 kobo. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then I'll put my kobo, 5 kobo. So 10 kobo minus 5 kobo is 5 kobo. So that is for addition of coins. Now let's look at addition of Naira notes. Addition of Naira notes. Remember that for Naira notes, your Naira sign is going to be before the number. When we talk about kobo, your kobo will be after the number. But for your Naira, Naira symbol will be before the number. So add 20 Naira and 10 Naira. Add 20 Naira and 10 Naira. So that is 20 Naira plus 10 Naira. Now when I'm adding numbers that ends with 0, it's very simple, isn't it? I'll just say this 3 plus 1. 2 rather. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 will give me 3, isn't it? And then I'll put my 0 at the back of it. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, and I'll put my 0. Always remember to put your Naira to show that we're talking about money. So 20 Naira plus 10 Naira is equals to 30 Naira. So that means if I have a 20 Naira note and then a 10 Naira note, if I join them together, I'm going to have 30 Naira. But remember, you don't have a 30 Naira note. So your 30 Naira is going to be a 20 Naira note and a 10 Naira note. Do we understand that? Oh, beautiful. Now for subtraction of Naira notes. Subtract 10 Naira from 20 Naira. Remember we say subtract means take away. Take away 10 Naira from 20 Naira. And that is 20 Naira minus 10 Naira. 20 Naira minus 10 Naira. So I'll just say my 2 minus 1. If I remove 1 from 2, what do I have left? 1, isn't it? And then I put my 0 at the back. So 20 naira minus 10 naira is 10 naira. If I have a 20 naira note and I want to give someone 10 naira, I'll be left with a 10 naira note. Do we understand that? Beautiful. Now let's get how we can buy, sell, and calculate our balance. It's very important that we know how to do this because mommy or daddy can send you on an errand. Okay, buy me some salt, buy me biscuits, buy me this. You should be able to calculate the cost of what you bought and how much you're going to take as your balance. If you don't know how to do that, then someone might cheat you. At times, some of you can help mommy if your mommy is a trader, she sells one or two things. You might want to help her to sell in her shop. You should know how to calculate what the customer has bought so that you will know how much change to give to the person. So let's look at this example. If I bought a pencil for 5 naira and gave the trader 20 naira, how much change will I get? All you need to do is to say 20 naira minus 5 naira. Take away 5 naira from 20 naira. So 20 naira minus 5 naira will give me 15 naira. So if I have gone there with a 20 naira note and I'm buying a pencil for 5 naira, the change I'm going to have should be 15 naira. That is a 10 naira note and a 5 naira note. Or it can also be 3 5 naira notes. Remember, 3 5 naira notes is the same thing as 15 naira. So it's either I have a 10 naira note and a 5 naira note, or I have 3 5 naira notes. Do you understand that? So next time you go out with 20 naira and you buy something for 5 naira, remember that your change will be 15 naira. This is another example. A sweet. I know a lot of us love to eat sweets. Okay, you can eat sweets, but make sure you don't take too much of it so that it won't spoil your teeth. A sweet costs 10 naira. A sweet costs 10 naira. How much do I need to buy 3 sweets? How much do I need to buy 3 sweets? All I need to do is to do what? I have 10 naira in 3 places. If one sweet is 10 naira, so for me to buy 3, I have to have 10 naira, 10 naira, 10 naira. So the cost of 3 sweets will be 10 plus 10 plus 10, and that will give me 30 naira. Or I can also say 10 naira times 3. That would also give me 30 naira. So for me to buy 3 sweets, I need 10 naira in 3 places. 10 plus 10 plus 10, and that will give me 30 naira. So supposing I've gone to the trader with 50 naira and I've bought this for 30 naira, how much do you think my change will be? That will be 50 naira minus 30 naira, 20 naira. So if I had gone to this trader with a 50 naira note, I'm expected to collect a 20 naira note as my change, or probably 2 10 naira notes, or maybe 4 5 naira notes. Do you know how this works now? Beautiful. So for me to buy 3 sweets, I need 30 naira. Okay, this is what I want you to do for me. You're going to try this. What is 20 naira plus 20 naira? And what is 50 naira minus 5 naira? Try this and then you compare it with my answer here. Let's see if we're going to get the same thing. Okay, if you have done it properly, your answer should be 40 naira and 45 naira. Very simple, isn't it? Oh, beautiful. Now we've come to the end of the class. Thanks for listening and have a nice day. Bye.